Okay, from one end of a bridge above a railroad track, the angle of depression to the tracks is 37 degrees. Okay, so let's make that like a cliff and add a cliff, and then there's going to be a bridge. Okay, and then there's going to be railroad tracks underneath it. Okay, so from one end of the bridge above a railroad track, the angle of depression to the tracks is 37 degrees. So 37 degrees. Remember, the angle of depression is always from the horizontal. So the horizontal being the actual bridge. So 37 degrees down. But that point is 112 meters from the track, so 112. And the bridge is 122 meters long. How far from the other end of the bridge is the track? So we need to find this. Okay, so what we have here is we have side, angle, side. So when we have side, angle, side, and we're trying to find that opposite, okay, we don't have a matchup. So we don't have any angle on the opposite side because we don't have this angle and we don't have this angle. So what we're going to actually use here is cos. So the cosine law. So let's just call this A, B, and C. Okay, so A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. Okay, so let's go A squared equals, B squared is 112 squared plus 122 squared minus 2, 112, 122, and then cos 37. Okay, this entire thing you can put in your calculator at once or you can do it in steps. I'm just going to do it at once. Minus 2 times 112 times 122 times cos 37. Okay, so I get approximately 5602, and then we root it. Because right now we have a squared, but what's wrong with that is we don't want a squared, we just want a. So a equals 70, let's say 74.8. So let's just round up to 75. So the other side of the bridge is 75 meters right here. That's 75 meters from the train tracks.